Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
We're in Saigon. Those are the cross streets, but we're gonna go directly into that right there. Give you the idea where we are. We're kind of in Chinatown. A lot of coconuts being consumed. Markets here as well. And we're gonna try to get across the street. Oh, there's a city tour, Ho Chi Minh. Huh, okay. Well, nonetheless, we're gonna go over there. Okay, Saigon. This is going to be this is in Chinatown. It's up on it's a market. It's up on the map right there. You can see exactly where we are. So I'm going to be exploring in Chinatown in this video, crossing the street, get into the market, kind of show you what it looks like, give you a little taste of it. And yeah, anyways, that's what this is going to be all about. So we're going to get into it. I got some music. The lyrics are right there too, so you can see what that was all about. I wrote the lyrics and put it into AI. And now we're going to walk through the market. All right, little slice of Saigon for you. Actually, it's really interesting because that city tour, hop on, hop off, they have all these different buses for that. And so the one that I took didn't go over here. Didn't come into Chinatown. It just kind of stayed in District 1. I was so disappointed. In District 3. We're in District 5. So now I can actually come into the Chinatown. Either that, I mean, I could be wrong. Maybe it did go all the way down. I don't know. But we're gonna go in and see what the market looks like. And I believe this is the Cholan Chinatown main market. And I'm just gonna go straight in. Oh, actually, let's go in first. I can see market stuff to the left and to the right, but I want to get into the middle. Yeah. And lots on that direction too. So I guess this is right in the middle of the market. I'm just gonna go directly to what's in the middle first. Okay, so let's go on into the market and we'll just go around a little bit and see what's all in here. We kind of got all kinds of stuff. This market's huge. Looks like it also goes up to the second story too, so maybe I'll go up to the second story so I can get a good view. But this market looks like it's not really for tourists, it's more products for everybody. But I think if we go up here, we'll get a better idea of it. Yeah, huh. So you kind of got everything in here. Yeah, it's so different because the one in District 1 is almost all tourist things, and you kind of get non-stop harassed. But this one is like very much for locals and mostly for household goods. So we just kind of meander aimlessly. Just try to get a feel for it.
Dạ.
But yeah, you got like household items.
Cục hay là sắp lá thì nó mắc tiền ba mấy ngàn.
Okay.
Nhưng mà ăn được không?
So very, very interesting. Should I just go right through the middle here? So I think we're mostly just going to see clothing in this spot. Say I'll die. I think I'm going to go to the window.
You have like this?
Oh, hello. I guess there are some tourist shirts in here too. I just saw one that said Saigon. Clothes. So let's go. Let's kind of go out. Let's look outside. So outside the market. Okay. That's the bikes. Anyways, I think I'm just getting you a taste more than anything. I didn't really know what to expect myself, so this also helps me kind of see. So that was the entrance right there that we came into. And I'm going to, I think I went this way already. Anyways, I'm gonna go down. So I think I'm out by the front entrance again. I think it's kind of symmetrical, so I'm not sure exactly all the different spaces that I can go into. So I guess what we're gonna do is go maybe just kind of randomly in this space. I think this one is gonna be all bags. And let me just kind of see here. So you got, I guess there's sections where you can buy bags, other sections with clothing, other ones with household gifts. I think this one has more bags. Let's go this way. So, but I think most of it is like practical stuff that you can get. Let me see. Hello. How are you? Thanks. Sounds good. Thank you. So let me see. I'm gonna try to go this way with the suitcases. Yeah, it's actually really. I think this might be more like wholesale. So here's all the shoes. There's so many shoes in this space. Fake flowers. So anyways, I guess you kind of get an idea of what's all in this market. And I kind of wonder how much of it is just like wholesale as well. And there's something really colorful. There's more shoes. I just kind of want to go all the way to the end here because these look like. Oh, okay, they're like different products. Huh. So very interesting. So we got all kinds of interesting stuff. And my goal anyways is just to kind of get an idea. It's something a little bit different. I'm going to come out of the market as soon as I get a chance. Let's keep on going down this way. So very cool. So I guess what we're gonna do, okay, preserved fruit. So there's another, that one must be for those kind of items. And then we got beads, jewelry kind of stuff. Okay. So my main goal here is just to kind of give you an idea of what's here. Okay, let me see. I guess we're gonna go, I think I'm gonna take a left. So we're gonna go up here. I'm gonna try to make it to the entrance or exit. So that's my new goal. And I'll probably turn off the camera in a minute. I guess the good thing about this market is that I can always find the centerpiece. And I think I'm going to start doing repetition if I'm not careful. Okay, so I am a little bit lost. And I might even be I see stairs, so I'm just gonna go to these stairs. But anyways, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the video, and at least you have an idea of what this market looks like in Saigon. So okay, I got lots more videos of Saigon coming up, and this all kind of gives you a little bit of a better idea, I hope. Huh. Remember that dog. So, okay. I guess we'll end it right here. Hope you liked it.
Saigon, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon.